there's retro, and then there's iconic. Meet the Airstream X Frank Lloyd Wright Usonian limited edition travel trailer, a stunning collaboration that blends two pillars of American design into one luxurious, rolling masterpiece. If you thought camping was just about sleeping bags and s'mores, think again. This limited-run trailer offers a truly unique way to experience the great outdoors in style. Airstream is a name that needs no introduction. The brand's iconic silver bullet design has glided down highways since the 1930s, becoming a symbol of American freedom, adventure, and timeless aesthetics. But now, nearly 90 years after the first Airstream hit the road, the company has teamed up with the Frank Lloyd Wright Foundation to create a trailer that's not just built for the open road, it's designed to be a mobile architectural experience. Frank Lloyd Wright, the legendary American architect behind masterpieces like Falling Water and the Guggenheim Museum, may have passed away in 1959, but his vision lives on. This trailer draws direct inspiration from one of his lesser-known but deeply personal creations, Taliesin West, his desert residence and studio in Scottsdale, Arizona. Designed in the late 1930s, Taliesin West emphasized harmony with the surrounding environment, and that same principle is now on four wheels. The Frank Lloyd Wright Usonian limited edition Airstream rethinks interior space and layout with a touch of Wright's organic architecture. One standout feature is the rear opening hatch, a hallmark of some Airstreams, but now reimagined, with the main sleeping area relocated to the back. That means you can lie in bed with the hatch wide open, breathing in nature, gazing at stars, or snapping that perfect #trailerlife moment without even leaving your mattress. And the luxury doesn't stop there. The king-sized bed folds away when not in use, transforming into twin beds or a pair of bench seats. The front of the trailer offers even more flexibility, with a folding dining table, a hidden desk, and a pull-out sofa that doubles as a secondary sleeping area. Space is intelligently used and meticulously crafted, just like one of Wright's homes. There's also plenty of light, which was another signature of Wright's style. Large windows and even two portholes illuminate the cabin, giving the interior a bright, airy feel that's rare even in high-end campers. Every detail is intentional, from the materials to the layout, all crafted to create a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. But Exclusivity doesn't come cheap. Only 200 units of this rolling work of art will be produced, and each will cost you $184,900. Yes, you heard that right. This trailer isn't just for weekend warriors, it's a luxury collector's item. But for that price, you're not just buying a trailer, you're investing in a piece of mobile design history. Whether you're parked on a mountain cliff or nestled beside a quiet lake, this trailer ensures you'll be turning heads. It's not just about where you're going, it's how you get there and what you bring with you. And with the Frank Lloyd Wright Airstream, you're bringing a legacy of innovation, creativity, and timeless American design. For those lucky enough to get one, it's not just a camper. It's a mobile sculpture, a functional piece of art, and perhaps the ultimate form of glamping sophistication. For everyone else, it's a reminder that design can elevate even the simplest things, like sleeping under the stars, into an unforgettable experience.